Hello everyone. If you have doubt, why GATE exam, why not DSA course? If you think that, just I want to give suggestion to you. GATE examination, if you prepare, you can learn lot of concepts. Many concepts you can learn. Using that you can go to higher education. You can try for the new jobs, right? You can try PSU, you can try software jobs, many advantages. With the DSA course, only MNC companies you can try. With the GATE exam, all you can try. All are possible. GATE exam trying is nothing but all possibilities covering. Right? DSA course trying is nothing but only software companies trying. So in EPT, we have the courses for only for GATE, only for DSA, and combined also. If anyone want to say, sir, I want to prepare a DSA also, and one more thing is GATE also, right? We have combinedly one course also. You can select whatever you wish, but important thing is start as soon as possible, because it doesn't matter how much you are talented if you don't give enough time. Start as soon as possible. 12th of this Feb onwards, 12th Feb onwards, one batch is starting. Please utilize this, right? So I hope this will be useful to you.